Good morning, students. This is Gopal, head of the Department of Humanity and Science. Now, in this lecture, we have to solve some of the integral problems. Last class, we have to see some of the examples, and now we shall discuss some more problems based on indefinite integral formulas. The question is now evaluation of this integral x to the power of 9 plus 9x plus x to the power of 9 plus 9 power x plus 9x dx. First we split this is into the three parts, three individual integrals. Integral x to the power of 9 dx plus integral 9 to the power of x dx plus integral 9x dx. So means what is the right hand side here? We have to return. So left hand side integral, three individual integrals. Now sum of these integral values is exactly equal to integration of left hand side integral. So first integral and second integral and third integral. Now we have to check it. They are belongs to the which formulas? Yes, now this is equal to. Now we know that integral x to the power of n dx formula. This is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c when n not equal to minus 1. Now compare these two integrals. Yes, integral x to the power of 9 dx. This is integral x to the power of n dx. So therefore this integral is form of this formula. So what is n here? Where n equal to 9. So therefore this value is becomes x to the power of 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 plus c. Okay. Now coming to the second integral. Integral a power x dx equal to a to the power of x by log a plus c. So therefore this integral is becomes 9 power x by log 9 plus c. Now here this is constant right outside the integration. So then this integral is becomes integral x dx. So therefore this is becomes x to the power of 9 plus 1 means x to the power of 10 by 9 plus 1 10 plus c. Now this is as it is 9 power x by log 9 plus c. And coming to this one, this is also this form. What is n here? Where n equal to 1, x to the power of 1, where n equal to 1. So therefore this integral value is becomes 9 of x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Why? Because n equal to 1 here plus c. And this is equal to x to the power of 10 by 10 plus 9 to the power of x by log 9 plus 9. This is becomes x to the power of 1 plus 1 equal to 2, x to the power of 2 by 2 plus. Now we have to return these c values. 1c is there, 1c is there, and 9c is there. So therefore c plus 9c. So finally this value is become x to the power of 10 by 10 plus 9 power x by log 9 plus 9x square by 2 plus this is 11c, or it can be written as c1. Either written this is 11c or c1. What is c1 value here? c1 equal to 11c. Now this is the process of finding this integral value. This is next example. Now evaluate integral x to the power of 7 plus 7 to the power of x plus 7 by x dx. Yes, now it can be written as integral 7 to the x to the power of 7 dx plus integral 7 to the power of x dx plus integral 7 by x dx. Okay, now this is equal to, I am writing directly these values. Okay, so therefore this is x to the power of 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 plus c, this value, and coming to this value 7 power x by log 7 plus c, and coming to this value 7 integral of 1 by x dx. Okay, now this is implies to, this is x to the power of 8 by 8 plus c plus 7 power x by log 7 plus c plus 7. So this is equal to log x plus c. Why? Because now this integral 1 by x dx equal to log x plus c. Here we use integral x to the power of n dx formula. This is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. And here we use integral a power x dx formula. This is equal to a to the power of x by log a plus c. Right, so finally we getting this is equal to x to the power of 8 by 8 plus 7 to the power of x by log 7 plus 7 log x plus c plus 7c. So this is 9c. This is equal to x to the power of 8 by 8 plus 7 to the power of x by log 7 plus 7 log x plus c1. What is c1 here? c1 equal to 9c. So this is integral x to the power of 7 plus 7 to the power of x plus x by 7 dx value. So this is the process of finding 7 by x dx. So this is the process of finding this integral value by using these steps. Now this is very simple. So first you remember all these elementary integral formulas. This is very simple. Now we have to find out this integral value, and now here these are the simple functions. So first we have to return this is integral secant square x dx minus integral e power x dx plus integral sin x dx. So these are the direct formulas. Now we know that integral secant square x dx equal to, this is tan x plus c minus integral e power x dx. This is also direct formula. So therefore we are getting e power x plus c. Now integration of sin x. So this is equal to minus cos x plus c. So therefore first we collecting these terms one side and the c's another side. So therefore tan x minus e power x minus cos x plus c minus c plus c. So finally we getting integral. So therefore integral secant square x minus e power x plus sin x dx equal to tan x minus e power x minus cos x plus c. Now this is the process of finding this type of indefinite integrals. Now evaluate integral e power x plus 2 sin x plus 6 by under root of 1 minus x square with respect to x. So first we have to return. So this is into this form, integral e power x dx plus 2 into integral sin x dx plus 6 integral 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx. Yes, now we know that this is integral e power x, the direct formula. So therefore this is equal to e power x plus c plus 2 of, now integration of sin x minus cos x plus c, and 6 is there, integration of, so now since here integral 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx equal to sine inverse of x sine inverse of x plus c. So therefore this is equal to sine inverse of x plus c. Okay, so therefore this is becomes e power x minus 2 cos x plus 6 sine inverse of x plus c plus 2c plus 6c. So means, so total this is replaced by a one arbitrary constants, okay, plus 6 sine inverse of x plus c1. So this is arbitrary constant. So now since c1 equal to c plus 2c plus 6c. Yes, this is the process of finding integration value of the given indefinite integral e power x plus 2 sin x plus 6 by under root of 1 minus x square dx. Now these are the very simple problems. So if you throw in integral basic formulas, so we have to find out integral of these kind of indefinite integral values. Yeah, evaluate integral cos x minus 5 by 1 plus x square plus e power x dx. So first we have to return this is into this form, integral cos x dx minus 5 integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx plus integral e power x dx. So all these are the straight formulas. So means we know that integral cos x dx equal to sin x plus c. So therefore integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to tan inverse of x plus c, and integral e to the power of x equal to e power x plus c. So these are the straight formulas. So finally we have to collect these functions one side and these arbitrary constants another side. Another side means we're collecting one side. So therefore sin x minus 5 tan inverse of x plus e power x. So this is c minus 5c plus c. So finally it can be written as plus c1. What is c1 here? c1 equal to c minus 5c plus c. So this is the process of finding this indefinite integral value. Yeah, this is one more important problem. So integral x square plus 1 by x square whole square dx. First we have to find out this value. X square plus, now since x square whole square. So therefore this is in the form of a plus b whole square. This is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is a square here? What is a here? A equal to x square. So therefore x square whole square plus, so what is b here? B equal to 1 by x square and whole square plus 2. What is a? A equal to x square, and what is b? 1 by x square. Okay, so here this x square cancel, and this value becomes x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 plus 2 is there. This x square cancel. So therefore we getting x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4 plus 2. So this is x square plus 1 by x square whole square. Yeah, now we have to evaluate the given integral by take the help of these values. So therefore x square plus 1 by x square whole square is replaced by x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2 dx. Okay, so this total can be replaced by this value. Now we have to split this integral into integral x to the power of 4 dx plus integral 1 by x to the power of 4 dx plus integral 2 dx, right? So therefore it can be written as, so means this is the form of x to the power of n dx, and this is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So therefore this is becomes, or written one more form here, x to the power of 4 dx. So here this x to the power of 4 shifted into numerator, therefore it is becomes this form, plus we shift 2 outside the integration, 1 dx. Yes, now we apply this formula to this integral. So therefore x to the power of 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus c, and here x to the power of minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1 plus c plus 2. So integration of 1 equal to x plus c. So therefore this is equal to x to the power of 5 by 5 plus c, x to the power of minus 3 by minus 3 plus c plus 2x plus c. So finally x to the power of 5 by 5 plus, minus 1 minus is there, minus 1 by 3x cube plus 2x c means 3c, or it can be written as c1. So this is integral value of the given indefinite integral. This is very important in exam point of view. So evaluate integral x to the power of 5 plus 5 to the power of x plus 5x dx, and this is equal to integral x to the power of 5 dx plus integral 5 to the power of x plus 5 integral x dx. And that writing here, this is actually integral, this is integral 5x dx, where 5 is constant, we shift outside the integration, so that's why it is becomes 5 integral x dx. Okay, we written these values, this integral value. So this is in the form of integral x to the power of n dx formula. So therefore x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. By using this formula, we have to return this integral value. So that is x to the power of 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 plus c. Yeah, this is first integral value. Coming to the second integral, this is in the form of integral a to the power of x dx formula. So therefore this is equal to a to the power of x by log a. So therefore this integral value becomes 5 to the power of x by log 5 plus c. This is the second integral value. And coming to this integral, plus 5 So therefore, this is also in the form of this formula. So therefore, what is n here? Where n equal to 1. So therefore, it is becomes x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. And this is equal to x to the power of 6 by 6 plus c plus 5 to the power of x by log 5 plus c plus 5 into x square by 2 plus c. So finally, now it is becomes x to the power of 6 by 6 plus 5 to the power of x by log 5 plus 2x 5x square by 2 plus where c plus 5 into c means, so finally 7c. So therefore, integral x to the power of 5 plus 5 to the power of x plus 5x dx equal to x to the power of 6 by 6 plus 5 to the power of x by log 5 plus 5x square by 2 plus c1. Now since c1 equal to 7c. So this is the process of finding the given integral value.